Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Digonto, the Endless Journey. Today we are going to present our second episode of Travel with Digonto. Now we are discuss about the must visit places of Rajasthan. So let's begin. Rajasthan is a state in northern India. Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by area and it is the seventh largest by population. The northwestern portion of Rajasthan is generally sandy and dry. October to February is the best time to visit Rajasthan.
Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. It is called the Pink City because it was built in 1727 by the Rajput king Jai Singh. Because all the houses in this city are pink. Notable places in Jaipur are Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Amber Fort, Nahargarh Fort, Albert Hall Museum. This museum is the oldest of Rajasthan.
One among the most visited places in Rajasthan is Udaipur. Udaipur is known as the city of lake. It was founded in 1559 by Maharana Uday Singh. Udaipur is called the White City. Notable places in Udaipur are City Palace, Lake Pichola, Jagdish Temple, Fateh Sagar Lake and Jag Mandir. Jag Mandir is an island palace.
Jodhpur built by Rao Jodha. A beautiful landscape of the Thar Desert can be seen here. That's why it's called the Sun City. Seen from a huge distance, all the houses here look blue. So, Jodhpur is called the Blue City. Notable places in Jodhpur are Mehrangarh Fort, Umaid Bhawan Palace, Mandor Garden, Clock Tower, etc.
Jaisalmer is called the Golden City. Yellow sandstone is found here. The fort of Jaisalmer is built with these yellow sandstones. That's why this fort is called Sonar Kila. The most interesting and attractive thing here is camel ride in Jaisalmer. Notable places in Jaisalmer are Jaisalmer Fort, Gadishar Lake, Tajia Tower, Nathmal Ki Haveli, Patun Ki Haveli and Vaish Chetri.
Chittorgarh is another example of the most visited places in Rajasthan. This city is located on the bank of the river Gambhiri and Biraj. Chitrangada Mori built this city. Chittor Fort is the largest fort in India that is been located in Chittorgarh. When the Muslim ruler Alauddin Khilji attacked Chittorgarh, all the men were died and Rani Padmini, the wife of Raja Ratan Sen, along with all the women attempted suicide in a fiery furnace. That incident of attempting suicide is known as Jauhar Brat. The place where Queen attempted suicide can be seen till now. Notable places in Chittorgarh are Kalika Mata Temple, Vijay Stambh, Maharani Padmini's Palace and Mirabai Temple.
Bikaner is a city in the North Indian state of Rajasthan, east of the border with Pakistan. Rao Bika built it in 1488 CE. The city is known for the 16th century Junagarh Fort, a huge complex of ornate buildings and halls. Notable places are Lakshmi Niwas Palace, Junagarh Fort, Bhandasar Jain Temple, etc.
There are many places to visit in Rajasthan. Ajmer Sharif Dargah is a very holy place for the followers of Islam. Pushkar is a holy place for Hindus. The only Brahma temple is located in Pushkar. Notable places in Pushkar are Pushkar Lake, Ranganathji Temple, Gayatri Mata Temple, etc. Mount Abu is a hill station in western India's Rajasthan state, near the Gujarat border. Set on a high rocky plateau in the Aravalli range and surrounded by forest. It is also known as Shimla of Rajasthan. Impossibly beautiful sculptures can be seen in the Dilwara Jain Temple. There are also various famous places in Rajasthan, notable among which are Nakki Lake, Guru Shikhar, Achalgarh Fort and village, etc. The Achaleshwar Mahadev Temple is a Shiva temple just outside the Achalgarh Fort, located in the Abu Road Tehsil of Sirohi district. If you guys enjoyed our video, then like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to give your feedbacks in the comment section, and also press the bell button to always being notified of our videos. If you guys interested photography, drawing, writing, then you can follow our Instagram and Facebook page.